Nestled in the countryside of the Vale of Glamorgan, Llandough Castle stands as one of southern Wales' best preserved fortified manor houses. Unlike the great royal fortresses of Britain, Llandough reflects a more personal side of medieval life, combining noble residence with defensive architecture. The castle was built during the late medieval period, most likely in the 14th century, as the seat of local landed families who held estates under the Norman lords of Glamorgan. Its tower house design provided security while also serving as a comfortable residence overlooking the surrounding farmland. Rather than functioning as a major military fortress, Llandough Castle represented the gradual transition from castles built for warfare to fortified homes designed for administration, prestige, and rural estate management. About 13 kilometres from Llandough Castle stands St. Quentin's Castle, a larger Norman stronghold associated with the Marcher lords who controlled much of Glamorgan. Approximately 7 kilometres away lies old Beaupre Castle, another fortified manor house that reflects the evolution of noble residences in the region. Both castles demonstrate how the Welsh aristocracy gradually shifted from heavily defended fortresses toward more comfortable homes that still retained elements of medieval defence and prestige. Below Llandough Castle once operated the historic Llandough Mill, which harnessed the local waterways to serve the surrounding estate and community. Together, the mill and castle formed the heart of local economic and social life, while Llandough Castle itself continues to stand as one of the finest surviving examples of a fortified manor in the Vale of Glamorgan.